See, what's the bird? Oh, see. Oh, which one you like? Which bird you like? Oh, baliktad na. It's tabalik. This way. Wow, which one is nice? That one? Wow. Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, and your puppy. Show your puppies. Wow. Oh, that one is your favorite. Which one? Oh, flying, no. Ang mga ibon. Babaw daw. Babaw. Ang mga ibon na lumilipad. Show your, your sign. Come on. This one is the biggest bird. There, oh, I got one big bird, oh. One big bird. Yes, oo. Ganun naman talaga yan, miskin numpe. Tsaka gusto niya mga parang corned beef na yung style pure foods yung talagang, ayaw niya na ibang nagbana ako dyan. Ayaw ko ng pure foods na parang yung kakaiba. Wow! Puppies! Wow, wow! Wow! Wow, wow! Oh, where's the wow, wow? Oh, you hold the wow, wow first. So, na, with this bird. Come on, that one first muna. Oh, show us. Show me the dogs. Where are the dogs? What's the name of the dog? Where is Pia? The puppy. So nice. Oh, nahanap niya yung nahanap niya po yung the bird. Where are the birds? Here. I took it eh. Tita took the birds calendar. There's the puppy calendar. Puppy's calendar. Dog. There's dogs. A lot of dogs. Which one is your favorite? Show me. Which one? Point it out. Which one you like? Oh, which one you like? The sad one? The happy one? Oh. Oh, ano sabi niyan? Wow. Woof, woof. Arf, arf. Dami kasing bark ng mga dogs eh. May woof, woof. May arf, arf. May wow, wow. Sinong mas cute? Which one is the cutest? Show me. Come on, Sophia, you choose. Which one? That one? Which one? The sad one? Wow! Wow! Turo mo daw sino ang pinaka-cute. Ayun, ang pinaka-cute. Which one? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yan, ang cute, oo. Asan yung kamukha ng dog ni Tita Alma? Di ba these two? Same ng dogs ni Tita Maima? Wow! Wow! Ang sabi ng dog? Say dog.
Alam mo ba ate, kinakas pa ako.
Yung
Shoulder